Hi, welcome to the most important lecture of AI for professionals. And in this lecture, we will focus on, how professionals are taking the advantage of different use cases to grow their career and how you can do that. This is a very important lecture. I request you please watch it. If you need, then rewatch it, but learn everything from this lecture. In this lecture, I will resolve all your career related queries in one go. Okay, so now let's share our whole screen this time because there are so many things to cover. And this is our this is our planner. Okay, maybe you have got the access of the planner by now. Okay, so we will see everything from by step that how even professionals who have a better career or professionals from different countries are taking the advantage of every use case that is possible. We can definitely make more use cases as well. Okay, and if required in future, I will make that as well for you. Now onward, now let's look at this AI for professionals consulting planner. So this is AI for professionals, AI consulting file, and copyright goes to Rethynk AI 2024. Okay, this is a bit about the background evolution, planning, and implementation. I will do this entire planner step by step with you. This planner is designed to help you bridge the gap between your career aspirations and the opportunities AI can offer. By identifying your goals and evaluating your current position, you can create a roadmap to integrate AI into your professional growth effectively. Okay, use this step to define clear, actionable objectives that align with your long-term vision. This is about Rethink AI Innovation and Research Private Limited. This is if you have any question, you can reach out to info@rethinkai.com, or you can reach out to us at Twitter, or you can connect with us the private Facebook community. Okay, so how this going to work? Let's dive deep into it. First, take the printout of it, then fill your name, then date and time when you are, working on this planner. Next, write your designation, whatever is your designation. Maybe you are manager, you are team leader, then your company name. Okay, then your department, then your goal right now. What is your goal? Okay, and you don't need to send it to anyone. You don't need to send it to me or the team members. This is self fulfilled or self consulting based planner. Okay, I always believe in minimizing the work and reducing the red tapeism or unnecessary steps. So this has been designed in that way. Now write your core description. What are your values, objectives, and achievements? Then if you have any idea, you can edit here. Please sign here. These are very important. When you are struggling with your private job, I left the government job. I came back in private sector. I established myself all over again. So now let's define your career goals. What are your top three short-term goals, which are like for 1 to 3 years? It can be getting a promotion. It can be switching the company. It can be switching a different domain. Let's say currently you are working as a content writer, but now you want to become copywriting content writer, or you are a graphic designer, but you want to jump into video editor, or you are a simply backend IT employee professional, and now you want to become full stack developer, whatever be in next 1 to 3 years, write it here. Then write down your top three long-term career goals, like which you want to fulfill in next 5 to 10 years. It can be, Jadip, I want to change my city, okay, or I want to be in the management, or I want to be executives, or I have bigger dreams, or I want to build a team of 20, 30, or 50 members, or I'm a zonal officer right now and I want to be the department head of the whole company throughout the country. Or you can have your global aspiration, like, Jadip, I want to shift into this country, or I want to go back to my hometown or home country where I can stay with my family. So it can be anything. Just write those down step by step manner, and just fulfill it. If you need more space, I have provided more space as well for you. Okay, next, that's this is the step one. Next, step two, evaluate your current role. What is your current role? What are your primary responsibilities of your current role? It can be like I have to manage three multiple projects at the same time, or my company is integrating AI, or my company is integrating technology into the company, and now I have to learn that as well. That can be your primary responsibility. Okay, I'm not going to focus on secondary responsibilities, because if you have secondary plan, it means you don't have trust in your primary plan, or you don't have. If you have B plan, remember you don't have faith in the A plan. So I never have B plan. In fact, when I was in government job and I was resigning from government job, everyone said, "Jadip, don't resign from government job. People don't get the government job." They advised me to keep the government job, at standby. Okay, or don't leave your government job and just keep hanging there as well. But I never believe in the B plan. If you have B plan, it means you don't have faith in A plan. And if you have B plan, it means you are not going to give your complete focus on A plan. So when I was building this course, I was working with the team. There was no second alternate. This was the primary goal. Okay. And that's why you have use cases for everything, because there should be no B plan. Okay, next, what challenges do you face in your day-to-day work? It can be anything, like I'm struggling with AI use cases. I know AI, but I don't know how to use it. Or my team is struggling with implementation of AI, or my company is forcing me to learn AI as fast as possible. It can be anything. Write that down. Then, are there repetitive or time-consuming tasks that could be automated? Okay, if yes, there can be any task which you do every day, which is repeated in nature. You can automate that. Okay, so note down all these three areas. Write whatever come in your mind, like primary responsibilities, challenges in your day-to-day work, or tasks which are very time-consuming or repeated in nature. Note that down, and if you need extra space, there is extra space as well. Now let's go to the fourth page of the planner. Explore AI in your industry. List three ways AI is being used in your industry. Okay, just talk to your team members, seniors, juniors, or pick up a magazine, or you can check Rethynk AI magazine as well, where we provide all the best update around the world. And even, in fact, in last edition, we have focused on mm, uh, women empowerment as well. The theme was supporting the cause of women empowerment. Okay, so list three ways where AI is being used in your industry. Next, identify one area in your role that could benefit from AI. Okay, it can be like Jadi. There are so many ways we can, use AI to grow. But I think by putting repeated tasks on automation, I can grow faster. Or by having more use cases, I can grow faster. So that can be your key role. Okay, next, assess your AI knowledge. Okay, so how you are going to assess your AI knowledge? List all the use cases that you need. Okay, prepare a list of as many use cases that you can have in your mindset. Okay, use case is simply in simple terms. It's not simple, but in simple terms, a use case is what type of instructions or job you wish AI to complete for you. Okay, so do all these things and do the entire complete entire planner. Take a pen and write every particular sentence. If you need more paper, you can add more paper, but complete it. Okay, now let's jump into the AI and see how it works in live field. We will see everything live now. Okay, let's first start with Gemini. Okay, this is Gemini by Google, and so many things I have tested so far. So let me create first AI use case for you. Okay, as we don't have any, editing system, I always prefer showing the true you. Okay, so I'm showing the true Jadi Parasar instead of faking all these things, faking the narratives, hiding behind the the editing curtains. I'm showing you everything, and I'm going to create it in front of you. I'm going to make the first use case in front of you. Okay, so here I go, and you don't need to write it, you just watch it. Okay, and I will do it for you. So I have been I'm going to show one use case, then we will have second use case, and then we will see the entire 24,000 use cases. I have been working in an IT company uh, as what would you like to be? As manager. Currently, we are working on a project where we are developing uh, the coding for our client. The client is a USA based, and they are developing the softwares for their company. Let me add one more domain here. I have been working for an IT company as manager, I'm working for an Bangalore-based IT company as a manager. I have been working a, in a Bangalore-based IT company as manager. Currently, we are working on a project where we are developing the coding for our client. The client is USA based, and they are developing the software for their company. And they want mm, they want and we have to create different coding for them. So create a Java based, or you can take Python as well. Python is getting popular. The one thing which I don't like, or you can say which is challenging, is the moment you start writing, it highlights it, right? Even before completing the sentence, it's highlight the spelling part. And the technology is getting so fast that it's never let you even complete the sentence. So create a Python based based code for a loop where we are going to uh, add different math numbers. Mm, Go. Just I have created this one use case. You can make it even bigger as well. I have created one simple use case to show you. Okay, this is the Gemini, and it has completed it within a fraction of a second. Okay, this is loop based. The coding is done. It has, let me show you step by step. It has defined. Then the function is calculate numbers from 1 to 9, 1 to n. And then n is the upper limit of the range. The return is the sum of number from 1 to n. Sum is equal to 0 for I in range 1 to n plus 1. Sum, keep adding the I value, return sum. Okay, get input from the user. So if you are going to run this particular case on Python, it will ask you, okay, what is your number? Let's say you say 5, and then it's going to add 5, and then it's going to ask again, what is the next number? You say 10, it's going to add 10, and it's 15. Then it's going to ask you another number. Let's say you 15, it's going to add 30. Okay, that's how it's work. So in the end, what will you get? It will store the result, some of the all the numbers, and then it will print the result. Okay, so that's how it's work. And then you have explanation as well. The entire explanation which I have shared with you, it has created the entire explanation as well for you. Okay. Okay, so this is our entire use case. And now let's see whether this use case will work on another place as well. Now we are in Perplexity, and let's make some changes here and there. Okay. I have been working, and this is, let me show you it again. Okay. So that's why it was highlighting, because you need to put the hyphens as well. You put the hyphen, then it's good for you. Otherwise, it will work. Okay, don't go with English grammar. Okay, I have really high efficiency with English grammar, but now I am not into teaching you English. I am teaching you how you make use cases. Okay, so let's see whether it will work on Perplexity as well. The best part about this course is I'm showing you everything live instead of editing, and it's done. Mm. Certainly, below is simply Python code. Okay. And this is Python list of numbers and initial 0, and all the numbers have been added. Here is the explanation and then the customization. Okay. So what Google did, Gemini did it in just one go, and Perplexity did it in two. Okay, two steps. So even if you have AI, and people are saying people are going to lose job, no, man, there is so many expertise even in all these things that you have to become master of it. Now let's jump to Grok first, and let's ask the Grok, okay, what Grok has to say about the same code, whether it's going to work on Grok or not. Okay, so here is I have used the same old use case, and here is the outcome, and you can make it even bigger as well. Okay, so now let me do it on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is really good. And just press and enter. And here is the Python code. You can copy the entire code explanation. Isn't it amazing? You have to just write the use case and it will create the answer for you. Okay, now let's work on the second use case. Second use case, let me make next use case for you. Mm, I am a marketing manager for this for BANG, Bangalore-based marketing company. And recently, uh, we are working on a marketing. We are working on a product launching for. Let's give some brief detail. Product launching um, for iPhone. Let's take iPhone. Okay, for iPhone. So we are developing a complete new theme for this product launch. Let's not take iPhone, but let's take smartphone to show you more. Okay, smartphone. Okay, so we are developing a complete new theme for this product launch, including complete new theme, including font design, color style, launching campaign, and content type, content calendar, not content calendar, but what we need, content strategy. Content calendar we can see later. content strategy, and what more would you like to add? Content strategy, okay, marketing roadmap of social media, including Instagram and YouTube. What's wrong with YouTube? Okay, you need to take the capital. So create the entire, create the entire campaign in full detail, including the avatar sheet. I'm trying to make it as complex as possible. Okay, so that you can see the power of artificial intelligence, so that you can see the power of entire domain. Okay, I have given every detail, and this is the use case. Sometime, it takes hours and hours to develop the right use case. Okay, so I'm showing it to you. We have given the detail, and here is the campaign theme, unleash the future, and see its speed. We can't even match its speed with the scrolling. Done. Done. Okay. So let's see the sophistication of use case. If you use the right use case in artificial intelligence, done. You not only you are going to 10x is a small number for you. You are going to 100x it. Okay. Campaign theme, unleash the future. Okay. Visual identity, color palette, primary color, secondary color, accent, font, primary font, secondary font, logo. Everything has been designed. Then what are your content pillars? Innovation, performance, design, experience. Okay, now I will show you why I refuse to ask for content calendar. Okay, content pillar, innovation, performance, design, experience, content strategy, target audience, tech, young professionals, early adopters, create individuals, gamers, content format, social media, Instagram, YouTube, website, press release, email marketing, marketing roadmap, pre-launch, 4 weeks before pre-launch for Instagram, for YouTube, launch week, Instagram, YouTube, post-launch, Instagram, YouTube, avatar seat, the innovators. Can you see the creativity now? Key performance indicator. I have seen. I have worked with many clients in corporate. Okay, and I have seen in corporate key performance indicator is a very complex thing, and companies are very serious about it. Even it has become the part of the entire corporate sector. Key performance indicator. So it has developed your KPI as well, campaign monitoring and optimization. And then, okay, done. Okay. Now let's see. Now we are going to use the same on another platform. Okay. Now let's see whether Perplexity can do it. Done, no change, just done. That's why I'm making it, recording it live instead of relying on editing team. I have editing team, but editing team never interfere in my part. I always believe in showing yourself clearly, directly. Okay, listen, now the answer is ready. Campaign overview, theme design, launching campaign, unleash innovation, slogan, experience tomorrow today. What a powerful slogan, experience tomorrow today. What a powerful slogan. Content strategy, content calendar, marketing roadmap, YouTube, avatar seat, distribution strategy, below the line marketing, digital marketing, collaboration, conclusion. And if you want to see more, there are related links. Now let's go to Croc. Grok, the same thing. And now let's go ahead. Uh, Look at the speed, man. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Look at the speed. This is pretty amazing. It's so fast. It's so fast. Completely done. Done. How can your traditional knowledge match with the traditional AI use case? There is no chance. There is no chance. I'm pretty excited about it. Okay, next, theme name beyond limits. What a powerful theme name. And you incorporate use the most common problem we corporate people face is getting the right idea. AI is all about ideas. So beyond limits, font design, color strategy, launch campaign, launch day, post launch, content type, strategy, content strategy, marketing roadmap, YouTubes, and all these things. Okay, now let's see, can ChatGPT do it? Yes, ChatGPT also can do it. Done. Okay, so see, ChatGPT has done it. Tagline: Experience the future in your hands. Mood board, font design, color style, launching campaign, launch event, content type and strategy, marketing roadmap, avatar sheet, and entire avatar sheet is explain, content calendar. Even without asking, we got content calendar. That's why I refused to give the content calendar at that point of time. These all four platforms are totally different. People are saying this is AI. No, this is not AI. When you learn it inherently and you go deeper into it, then you get to understand that these are totally different platform and they have totally different application. Okay, that's why I refuse to show the content calendar. You got the content calendar as well, and without even asking. And there so many things have been provided by AI, which you have not even asked for, right? You have got your content calendar and it's done. Okay, can we ask the next question? Okay, loud, like we have done in the Gemini first. Okay, can we ask, okay, repetitive questions, or can we go to the next step now? Let me show you the next step. Mm, this is a quality work. However, if you have any repeated question or you want more from it, you can ask more from it. This is quality work. However, I would like you to focus on what would you like me to create? I would like you to focus on creating uh, content for the entire campaign. I'm not going to tell what type of content I need. No, I'm not telling what type of content I need. I'm just telling I need content. Okay, so here is something I have just copied it, so I don't need to type it again and again. We will use it the same in the next. I'm not saying anything. I just set content type, pre-launch, content calendar, and scheduling. Week one, week two, or week three, week four, launch week, day one, day two, day three to seven, post launch, week one, two, week three, four, content example, and then even your YouTube video titles are there. Come on, man. Can you imagine if you are a marketing manager and you are watching it, you will be surprised. Okay, everything is done. Content format, call to action. Even your call to action has been prepared. Call to action, avatar sheet, remembers, everything has been done. Now let's see Perplexity. Can Perplexity do it? Definitely yes. Okay, answers are going to vary. Every platform is going to create the answer. Out of all the platforms, you have to study which is the right platform for you, which is the right answer for you. Like you are making a presentation for your next product launching. There are 10 different ideas for the same product launching. Okay, but out of those 10, which one you are going to pick, that will make the difference. Okay, that's why use cases are so important. Look, it has already done. Your content is ready. Content type is ready, description is ready, platform is ready, launch week is ready, post launch is ready, content creation guideline is ready, monitoring and engagement is ready, conclusion is ready. Everything is ready. Now let's see, can Grok do it? Grok will also do it. Grok has already given us the, sorry, ChatGPT has already given us the content calendar. Like Instagram post, Instagram reels, YouTube short videos, email newsletters, content strategies, and even in our early use case, we asked for what YouTube and Instagram. It gave us, newsletter as well. Email newsletter is there. Launch day content is different. Content strategy is different. Post launch content is different. content strategy, and everything is done. Now let's see ChatGPT. And now you have even bigger result. Like you are getting result, but you are getting two different results. Now you have to identify which is the better one. Okay. And it will ask you which would you like to prefer. It will ask you immediately. Just wait for a second. That's why I love live demos, live work. I'm a big fan of it. I never like to be behind the editing team. Show up like show up like you knew the field, and I always knew. So now you have two different answers, and it's totally depend on you how you are going to use that. Okay, you like response one or response two? It's all depend on you. Okay, let's say I like response two. I prefer this. Okay, done. So AI has unlimited potential to connect your traditional knowledge with your use cases. Okay, so what is the power? The power is preparing these use cases. And now you are going to say, Jadip, you are an expert. You are working in AI. You have seen all the domains like private sector and government sector. So so let me give you how these people are using these use cases. I have created to show you. Okay, you don't need to create it because professionals who are taking the advantage of my proven system, they are not busy in creating the use case. They are directly taking the advantage of that elevator. Okay, so now let me, these are the use cases I have created for you in advance. And I'm going to just copy one to show you how it works step by step. Back to Gemini. And this is, I have just copied it. These use cases are available. Okay, I'm just posting it. And here is a use for a for loop. The coding is done. Like for loop, done. While loop, done. Explanation, done. Reconsideration, done. You don't need even to, you don't need even to write one word. One word. Okay. Perplexity, done. Done. Why you need 10x effort? There are people who are like who want you to burn out, put 10 effort, 10x effort, 10x it. Why 10x it? Can your 10x do this thing? No. Explanation, recommendations, done. Grok. Let's see Grok. Done. It's done. For loop explanation, while loop explanation. Done. Now let's see ChatGPT. Done. What, you are, there are people who are putting 10x effort outside. They are burning themselves out, and you knew my proven use case. Do you need 10x yourself? No. Why do you need 10x effort when you can have 100x results? This Python coding is done. Okay, so don't focus on putting 10x effort, focus on getting 100x results. There are professionals from countries like India, Japan, Mexico, USA, Germany, Netherlands, Canada. They are getting these results. You don't need to even write even a word. We are living in the age of technology. This is the time of taking action instead of putting your time in preparing these use cases. So I have created these use cases for you. Let's go to our original presentation. And so here is the time for take your call to action. Okay, what is your call to action? The call to action is I have prepared use cases for 40 different domains like walking movement, copywriting, CEOs, software developers. Okay, public relation, graphic designing, engagement, event management, sales, coding, event management, prompts, business management, and there are many more domains. I'm going to show you in a fraction of a second. So I have already shown you work on Grok, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. Okay, we have shown. Now we will be back to our original planner. Okay, so here is our planner. Fulfill the entire planner, and then go to Amazon or click on this link, and it will take directly you on Amazon. And here is all the use cases. Isn't it amazing? 24,000 use cases in just one click away. You don't need even to write a word. There are people who are burning you out. Hey, learn AI, learn AI. Why you need to learn AI? Just have the application. Their knowledge is here. And because we are researcher, our knowledge is here. We are far ahead of them. Okay, so you don't need to pick pen. You don't need to write a word. They are burning you out. Here we are helping you directly. Okay, there every use case like public relation, coding, copywriting, project management, high productivity, podcast, personal brand, business writing, social media managers, Instagram, graphic designing, content writing, sales, relationship, authors, and there are many more. Okay, and this is what I have created. I'm proud of it. I'm literally proud of it. Everything is available to you. Data science and entrepreneurs and and women leadership. Man leadership is also there. Business women, working women, business management, everything, making money, self-help, building elite confidence, mindfulness, and personality development. Everything has been created for you. Whatever you are facing in your job has been created for you. So what you have to do, just go back to the planner, fulfill the entire planner. Okay, go back to the last case, assess your knowledge, find out how many use cases you have. Then go to Amazon, get the access of all these use cases. Okay, in just one booklet, you have all the use cases, and you are done for your AI training. Just copy those use cases like I have done. Just go to the booklet, copy find the right use case which you need, copy that use case, and go to the platform which you prefer and use that case there, and your work is done. Okay, my job is not to burn you out. My job is to guide you. I'm not here to mislead you. I'm here to protect you. I'm here to help you grow. Okay, one thing I would like to share based on my learning, that provides so much quality that it become inevitable for people to work with you. Provides so much quality that it becomes necessary for your companies and your team and your boss and your manager that they wish to work with you. That's my simple theory. I would have done, another program as well, how to write use cases, how to create different use cases. But why do you need it? I believe in providing so much values that people love to work with you. There are professionals from so many countries are working with me. In next lecture, I will show you there are professionals who are already working. They are writing for the magazine, which is Rethynk AI magazine. Listen, find the right use case and provide so much value, over your traditional knowledge that your company love you and they wish to keep you in the team, and let they make you their AI brain. This is all is just one click away. Okay, I hope you have liked this lecture. In the next lecture, we will focus on ethical consideration of AI, and I will show you everything that you should consider about ethics, and or you can say values of AI, which are far more important part of AI training. And we are right now only we are who are considering training in the field of ethical consideration as well. Okay, so let's jump into the next lecture and see you there.